Hello, and thank you for using Danomics. In this video, I'm going to review the functionality in the clay volume module. To access the clay volume module, come here to the Central Module Selection drop-down menu and select Clay Volume. This will bring up the appropriate parameters and log displays for this module. The clay volume module has several different options for calculating clay volumes. We can do so with V-clay from gamma ray, neutron, SP, neutron density, neutron sonic, and sonic density. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how we can set the clay volume using the V-clay from gamma ray and V-clay from neutron density methodologies. To get started, I'm going to come here to a cross plot, and I'm going to select the neutron density cross plot. So we can set properties here by dragging and dropping the endpoints. And you'll notice that right now we're doing this for all of our zones. If we only wish to make changes to a specific zone, let's say for example the Niobrara and Maori formations, we can set those as our active zones and change the parameters for those zones only. Once we have set the V-clay for our neutron density, now we can move on and do the same for our V-clay from gamma ray. I'm going to increase the scale on this track as well as the width to make it easier to see what we're doing. Here we can see that we have our gamma ray clean and clay parameters, and we could set some defaults here by typing into the boxes both at the default level and on a zone by zone basis. To set the endpoints visually, we can come here to the log track and we can drag and drop these parameters as such. And once again, we can do this on a zone by zone basis as desired. Once you have done this for each zone and you have established your model for each methodology, you then need to determine how the final V-clay should be selected. You can either take a minimum of the active methods or you can take the average. Obviously, the average will result in higher V-clay calculations than taking the minimum. Although both have their advantage, it is recommended to use the minimum, as this often performs better when you have mixed lithologies that include multiple rock types such as sandstones, shales, limestones, and dolomites, all within the same intervals. If you have any questions about how to perform the V-clay calculations or how to use the clay volume modules, please feel free to contact us at support@danomics.com. Thank you.